everybody, it's me. I'm back again. This is how my hair looks with um the conditioner, the Design Essential conditioner in it. It really don't got a lot of slip to it, but it detangled my hair pretty good. I think so. And I'm going to put my holy holy grail in here in my hair. My Can2 deep conditioning mask. I'm going to rinse out this Design Essentials moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Conditioner. I'm going to rinse this out of my hair. So okay, going to rinse this out. See, the hair coming out, but so just going to rinse this out and put the deep conditioner in. Smell good though. Smell amazing. It got my hair soft. Yep, it got my hair soft as shit. Sorry for the noise, guys. That's the lateness man up. And the towel dried a little bit. Sorry guys, that's the people upstairs. They upstairs working. They so damn loud. So then let's come in here and I put my deep conditioner in. Okay. So, sorry, it's so dark, guys. Sorry. All right, guys. Then I clean my face because I've been sweating. And then it's water with a t-shirt. And I damp it. Let the what's the name? This how my hair feel. It's soft though. It's really soft. I am feeling that Design Essential, guys. Yes, I'm feeling that. I like that. It don't. I mean, the slip was okay. It just my conditioner. It didn't have a lot of slip, but it detangled the shit out my hair though. It did. It detangled the shit out of it. You see this, guys? Y'all see my curls is popping. Look at all these curls popping. I wanted to put some more color in it. Y'all see it done grew out. So, then I parted into 4 sections, maybe 5 sometimes. Yep, and I take my deep treatment mask conditioner, and I start on my ends of my hair, about that much. I start on the ends of my hair, then I work my way up. See, I part it, make sure it's on there real good. I got this. Then I twist it up. Then I get the back. Start on my ends. Make sure I get my ends, because they said that's the oldest part of your hair. So I get the ends. Then I work it up. So, then I split it, because it's all should be all the way through.